Hi everyone, it's Stu here from 3B with the Corsair 500d RGB, which is there. It's been out for about a year or so, or probably a bit less than that, about 6 months or so. It was released at last year's CES, and I got quite a good deal on one of these. It comes with 3 RGB fans, the controller Pro, and I also bought an additional fan. These are all the bits and bobs. That's the additional fan I bought, but it's got 3 of these already in there as well. If we can just sort of look around, they're there. So I'm going to take everything out of my old case, which is also a Corsair case, and put it in here. So I'll show you how all that goes on, but this is the bare bones. Not too impressed with how the fact that when I got it, this was just stuck as it is to there. The stickies have sort of been opened and used, so I'm debating, even though this was bought brand new from Amazon, and the box was, you know, unopened and everything, but it all seems kind of just thrown in there a little bit. So I'm not too sure about that, but everything seems okay. A little bit concerned by the fact that this, you know, I've heard that these things going a bit faulty, so a bit concerned with the fact that the stickies have been used, so maybe it's a return. I'm just a bit concerned by that. But it did look all pristine. It was me that actually peeled this off, so that's my fault. That didn't come like that. But we're going to take everything out of this case, of my old case, and we're going to put it in here. So we'll see how that goes. Keep you informed, keep you in touch, let you know how it all goes on. But it should be fun. One thing I did notice before I bugger off is that when they first review these, if you had the door wide open, it would tilt. Now it doesn't, so maybe they've got the weight just right now. But anyway, keep you up to date, and over the next few days I'll put it together, and hopefully it'll be a blaze of glory of RGB and won't look too trashy. Okay, have a good weekend.